In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on YouTube Mobile. Launch the YouTube app. Changing the YouTube language is essential for users who prefer to browse and interact with the platform in their native or more familiar language. It enhances the overall user experience by displaying menus, settings, and navigation options in a language that is easier to understand. This is especially helpful for non-English speakers or those learning a new language, as it allows them to access content more comfortably and navigate the platform with greater ease. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, tap on General. In the General menu, tap on App Language. Here you can select the language you desire. In my case, I will select French. After selecting your desired language, a pop-up should appear on your screen. In the pop-up, click on Change. Here you can see that the settings language has changed into French. Following these steps, you can change YouTube language easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.